Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install the C-notch kit in your OBS Chevrolet. Also, this install is going to be exactly the same as any of your other Ford, Chevy, GM products, Nissan, Toyota. It's all the same basic concept. So watch this video and learn how to do it yourself. This is our 1996 GMC Sierra we're working on. Now, we've already, in the previous video that you've seen, did the axle flip kit from Beltec. Well, now what we have here, this is your Beltec C-notch kit for your rear frame section, so that your rear end doesn't have any issues when loading the bed down or pulling a trailer on hitting this and contacting your frame. So what we're going to be doing is doing a video installing this into this frame section. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, there's a couple things you might need doing this job right here, and that is a real good set of drill bits. We have ours from DeWalt, and also a good white Sharpie. Now this right here being white, it'll show up real well on our frame when we use our cutoff wheel to cut the section out for it to slide into place. So now we'll go ahead and mark that in. This right here is our center for our rear end. So I know with this right here in place and centered, I can put it right in position. And using my marker here, just simply run a mark on the inside of where that right there is going to be sitting. All right, right there where it should be. To allow, if I cut this, it's not going to be accurate because that's for this outside. So I'm going to have to add about 1/4 inch for the inside. So I'm going to be making a second mark about 1/4 inch all the way around and across the bottom. Okay, right there is our piece we cut out. Now a good note to make right now. Okay, this is a bare frame. Your truck may have fuel lines, brake lines, evap canister hoses. You want to make sure that you get those out of the way first before putting a cutoff wheel in there, because that could cause a lot of damage and be hazardous. Now with the frame cut and this bolt removed from this lower brace, this C-notch will slide right into place. And that lower hole that was used for the brace will still be utilized to bolt back up to secure that brace. Then we'll start with getting our pilot bit and drilling our holes. We have our lower bolt tightened up that was on our brace originally. This hole and the small hole in the front is already pre-drilled in the frame. So all you should have to do is run another bit through there, the size needed, and then you can go ahead and bolt that bolt in, and then run your new drill bit through the other holes so that you get the other bolts in. Now, put your bolt, your washer on your backside, your nut. Okay, just like that, you can have your C-notch installed into your rear section of your frame. So, there it is. It's in. It's bolted up. I'm going to go ahead and get that other side done. But don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share button. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.